There's one of any one of them is done.
Still halfway.
Any one of you.
You want a big one?
There you go, Tyler. Do you like it? No. You like it light?
I've already had you get it out.
Oh, like what?
I can't. You like it burnt? There we go. You can eat it now if you like it burnt.
Is there crab crackers over here? Yes,
You like it
there
that way?
is. Come.
Want me to get it out for you?
Give me some extra cotton. Or you give me some.
Let's see if it's hot. No, it should be fine. That's what happens. We're just
I like it.
It's a lack of patience.
Taco dip?
What are you eating? Taco dip?
It's in there on the table.
What's up?
Mommy, this isn't working. Can you hold this really quick? I'll hold it. Because I need it. Morgan, get back here. I need to make a s'more.
Morgan, can you give me a marshmallow?
Here you go, Morrison.
Back
You want to eat it?
Somebody help me pass.
Let it cool off for a second. Like count to 10.
That fountain in the beginning was so pretty.
You want to make your own? But can you at least eat this because I don't like them?
I'm covered in
Just eat that one. You can make your own if you want.
That was a big marshmallow.
Here, come over here, Marty. Well, that's good. You want to do your own? All right. I'll just go out there and find a Okay. Oh, you got a big one? All right.
She just hit them all up to her mouth.
Okay, do you like it burnt or close? Here, put it like this. Put it where I'm doing.
No, don't put hands on it. Bite it.
Tommy, do you still have that stick? Are you going to eat the marshmallow? No? Yes? No? Yes? Maybe? When you're done, can I have...
Those ones are kind of
Tommy,
cool.
when you're done, can I have the stick back? When you're all done?
Come on, bud. You want one? Anyone need a skewer? I don't know what happened to her. Hey, Tavia, where's Kara's stick? Can I Kara you? She wants to make one.